Hi again. Guess what? I wrote a new poem and I'm kind of proud of it. I'm not sure if I'll keep drafting it, but it's called Auscultations. And to auscultate means to listen with a stethoscope, typically to, lungs or heart. Um, it's used in a clinical context, but here I'm doing something hopefully a bit different and also using different senses in the process. Let me read it to you. As I said, it's called Auscultations, and it has an epigraph from the album Time by the Electric Light Orchestra. And the song in question is called 21st Century Man. So I'll read that bit after reading the title, beginning with the title of the poem. Auscultations. A penny in your pocket, suitcase in your hand. You won't get it. It won't get you very far. Now you're a 21st century man. Sorry for that slight error of reading. Let's start again. Auscultations. Penny in your pocket, suitcase in your hand. They won't get you very far. From 21st Century Man, the album Time, ELO. Family photographer, when you died, we had no snaps to testify to your existence, bar a few. One dressed up in a suit and tie for Year 12 graduation. The irony being, you'd said I'd never be caught dead in that. Yet it appears that laid out for viewing, the sartorial choice contradicted, your utterance, a perverse premonition in reverse. We scrambled for anything to recover you. Drawings, sketches really, notes from exam cramming. What was buried, what we're under. Suddenly a path was recalled to dig up a Milo tin of all things, meant it seemed to survive time, unlike you. Thin capsule, a hodgepodge of mementos, set for reveal 50 years later, our Voyager tin, launched not into space but buried in Earth, never escaping family orbit. Fragments of you, our associations, half forgotten, the tin itself struck by the axe, broken and already rusted, 2 years in. Tapes, your teenage voice breaking, rusty also, sparring with us kids. In one moment a little sister says, I'm bored. You, only boring people get bored, half mocking. And yet you were always busy, faux scientist, with unearthly ambitions, later turned into myth, scattered remains, paired also with voices in our heads. The deep listening, memory itself, a viewfinder, visions of you, auscultated in dreams. So apart from a few slip-ups there, that's the poem, Auscultations. Thanks for listening to that heartbeat of the poem.